Hello, I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and today we're going to do a review of how it lasted throughout the winter season of this TrafficMASTER flooring. As you can see, it still looks fantastic just like it was when I installed it. If you watched in the previous part of the video, you've seen I just sprayed it down with a water hose and I squeegeed it out. If you are going to install this floor, make sure you prep your floor ahead of time. Make sure it's clean of dust, oils, or anything else. And make sure that it is fully prepared before you install this flooring. That's where you're going to find the fails. If you find that you're going to have a problem area, throw down some contact cement ahead of time, so then that way you get strong adhesion. Again, after all the mud, dirt, salt, and everything else through a winter season with 2 cars parking in this garage, you can see this floor has no issues. Again, if you do find a problem area, just grab a putty knife, pull it up, and install a brand new piece. Again, it's that simple. You don't have to tear up the whole floor. You don't have to do nothing. You don't have to sand nothing, whatever. Just pull it up, make sure the area is clean, and install a new piece. Again, this is a full winter season of this floor and with no issues. And I love this TrafficMASTER stuff. It's just great flooring. Again, my name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.